Hey team, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm coming at you with a really nice leg cardio workout. It's going to be awesome. This workout I do when I'm trying to increase my beep test to get that nice and high. And I've got a couple of clients at the moment who need to get their beep test higher. So it's just got me thinking about showing you guys this little workout here that I use myself to get that beep test up higher. Now obviously, with the beep test, it's like anything. The more you practice, the better you're going to get. So to get better at the beep test, recommend just do the beep test. The more you do it, the better. But this is a little workout here for if you're getting sick of the beep test, you're going to come and knock this workout out. And it doesn't need any beep test apps or anything to use. So you're good to just go and do it. Okay. The way the workout works is this: we set up two markers, one at the 0 line, and we do one marker at the 20-meter line. To measure that, just do 20 big steps and that's going to be all good for sure. Okay, we do 10 rounds. Okay, start at the 0 marker, we sprint to the 20-meter marker, we do 1 burpee. We come back to the 0 marker, we sprint back to the 20-meter marker, we do 2 burpees. Okay, so you see how this is a bit of a ladder system. So every time we reach the 20-meter marker, we increase our burpee by 1. So 1 burpee, 2 burpee, 3 burpee, 4 burpee, all the way to the 10 burpees. Okay, so you're gonna do 10 rounds of it. It's an absolute leg killer. Your legs are gonna be burning. Your heart rate is gonna be through the roof. It's gonna be awesome for fat loss, for cardiovascular gains. We love it. It's gonna keep us lean and athletic, team, the way we like it, okay? So I'm gonna knock out this workout. We're gonna come back and see how we feel. Team, I'm gonna get at it. Let's go. Hey, sorry team. I just add a little kicker on the end of that. We've done our 10 rounds. And then to finish, I just done 10 of our 20-meter sprints up and back. Okay, fantastic little burner there. I got a bit excited. So enjoy that one. I'm going to put that on the end of it. We're going to hit our 10 sets of our burpee runs. And then to kick it, to finish, 10 sets up and back of our sprints, okay? Just start slow. If you're struggling, maybe just knock it down to like 3. But if you're feeling good, do knock out the whole 10. I just done it and it's a good little kicker. We're going to get some additional fitness gains from that for sure, team. Hey, before we get into the workout, check this out. This is great. Look how green that grass is. I just hit some runs on that. My God, it feels good on the feet. Props to the council hitting that oval. That is luscious. That is green. So yeah, well done. Amazing. I do love a good grass. So there it is. Beautiful. Team, we've done the set. We've hit the 10 sets of the burpee ladder set. I tell you what, that was brutal on the legs. I was slowing down there at the end. You could see that for sure. Also, after the kicker, up and back 10 times to finish after you've done the burpees. A beautiful little addition. We're going to see some awesome fitness gains out of that. I believe it, 100%. Increase your beep test. If you're not even trying to increase your beep test, it's just going to increase your overall cardiovascular fitness and endurance. You're going to love it. Team, recommend it. You're great fat loss. Good calorie burner for sure. Do one round. See how you're feeling. You can do more than one round if you want, 100%. You can do one round, have about a 60-second breather, hit out some more. I'm not going to discourage that. It'll be awesome for you for sure. Just do what your body tells you, team. If you feel like it's not enough, add some more rounds in at the end of it, 100%. It's going to be awesome. If you're liking the content, please, team, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It is beneficial. I love it. It's great. These videos are amazing. I'm having heaps of fun, and I plan to keep them up. So, team, subscribe. Comment on the stuff, like it. The more the merrier, team. Let's get this popping. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.